Kajeki jo Nonghikai Hapeng Shatri jo Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya kala nangjur hagabakide Nonghikai kila lit ban shong hakmat ka secretariat ban pa ni kijing Dawa Jong ki la yoi ba Nonghikai kila shong hasilenter kalinti ka persai ka secretariat Jong kejala mentala bon Sngi wat min Miet ru baro Miet ki don be hakate ka jaka kini Nonghikai kibla shong baro arpasaw kanta hakate ka jaka kilo ang makat ba ka sarkar kampat sngap ya ke jing Dawa Jong ki kin sange ne kin ria na kate ke jaka kinangelam ka seng kilo ang bahag jeker bu menteri ketenat pule puthi balak men rumboy ya kasngi balang kam shim la position oshnoru namar ka sarkar kamla ban ai da ke jing tho ban pen ki ke jing siu Jong ki uba me bon ling do long ai ktien ka seng ulo ang bana kaliang ka seng kala phak ktien je ketenat pule puthi batar hadu ba kende yo ke jing Dawa kin sami na kate ke jaka
After the cabinet meeting that was being held on the 27th of June, we realized that the promise and the assurance and the confirmation that the Chief Minister of Meghalaya has given us, that is on the 12th of May 2022, with regards to our demands, it is hollow and it has not reached anywhere. So which is why we have realized that we have to come back to the streets. So since yesterday we have been sleeping here, and this will continue indefinitely until and unless we get a formal notification from the government or in the form of an order where the government will state that it will make our demands a reality. So just to tell you a little bit about our demands, that is when we submitted the memorandum to the government of Meghalaya, our demands stand at 18,000 and 5% of increment every single year for the categories of LP, UP, higher secondary and secondary section of the ad hoc school teachers, which is also uniform. So the reason why it is uniform because the salary of the LP teachers is very less, that is only 12,000, which is presently. However, their service is very long. Most of them have served for more than 15, 20, 25 and 30 years. So based on that, we are asking for a uniform increment for all these different categories. However, when we met the officer of the government of Meghalaya to education, that is Sir D.P. Walang, on the 12th of May, he let us know that the government has actually upgraded the proposal. It has made the proposal that we sent better, and they have also added the pre-primary teachers. They have added the science teacher, the Hindi teacher, as well as the food teacher into its ambit. So we were quite happy when the government is taking very serious, and the government is actually thinking about all the categories of teachers. However, we are very sad to learn after we met Sir Lakwen Rumboy today. Yes, he gave us a very positive output where he said that the government has given a confirmation and the government has committed to enhance our salary. But what we are not really satisfied with the statement that was being made by Sir Lakman Rumboy was that we do not know when will the government make this a reality, whether it is going to be this year, whether it is going to be next month or it is going to be next year. So we don't really know. It is just like a promise that is being made in the air. So we want that in black and white. We want a notification and an order. Until and unless we get that, we will not move from here.